Hello everyone, and welcome to Common Garden. So, I've chosen a sunny position to put the peas in. They will like this best, obviously. Most plants like it nice and sunny. I put it on this bank, which is an unused bit of space, which is useful, obviously, when we're trying to not plant up the whole lawn. Next thing I'm going to have to do is to put poles up to give the peas support as they grow. As they grow vertically, they'll want to attach to it, so I'll show you how I do that today. I managed to get some bamboo canes before lockdown started, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tripod, which is a simple and easy way to support your peas as they grow. The first thing you have to do is to attach the 3 sticks at the top, and then I'll place them in the soil like that, and that will support. After that I will wrap some string around each and we'll go up like this to meet it at the top. With the make do and mend spirit that we have going on at the moment, I'm going to use scrap pieces of twine as much as I can today. So I'm just getting the bamboo sticks level, and then I'm going to take the twine and I'm just going to sort of interlace it around like this, making sure I go around every one. Just like that. I always get it mixed up like that, so you can see it's nice and secure there but still flexible. And bring this one round. Here. Just tie them once and twice, like that. And you can see I can move those around like that. Now that I have the bamboo cane secured with twine at the top, I'm going to put it into the box, spread out the legs of the bamboo tripod, placing them in holes that I drilled in the bottom of the box before I started. I have the tripod set up and in place now, so with this spare bit of twine, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around in a sort of diagonal spiral going down the tripod. I wrap it around each bit twice just to try and prevent it moving too much when the peas are growing. So just go round, yeah, go round as well, and I will keep going around until I run out of twine. And then I'll just tie it off. About there. And then I'll continue going down the tripod until right at the bottom. Secure enough. I want to go right to the bottom as well, just to give them that support as they grow up. far down as we can get anyway. Okay, so I think that's good enough. Snip it off about there. Round. And I'll just tie it off, give that a double knot. So I've built my pea support. I'm pretty happy with that, and I hope the peas will be too. It'll give them a good strong structure to grow up. Thank you for watching.